All right, guys, we got something nice for you today. It's a 1978 Chevy Camaro with a 350. Look at that thing right there. It's all original, as you guys can see. Then what we put on it is some FLOWMASTER 40 series, part number 42443. 40 series, one there and one there. There'll be a link in the description, and we made custom tailpipes for it right there and right there out the back. Dumped like the original back in the day. There and there. And there she is out the back. You can, once it's on the ground, you won't see nothing. You just see the bottom of the mufflers right there, which is really cool, as you guys can see. Like always, guys, if you like our work, make sure you subscribe. And guys, it's a T-top car, as you guys can see right there. They need to bring T-tops back. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments if you think we should bring T-tops back on cars. Go ahead. Here's everything we cut off. Look at all those old pipes. Can't beat that iconic FLOWMASTER sound, the 40. It's made for these cars. There's sound that's cool. Again. 102. Go ahead and back it up. Look at that. That sounds so good. What do you guys think? That's awesome. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. There she is. 78 Camaro. FLOWMASTER 40s.